Hey guys, Bhavik here, and this is the unboxing video for the JHS-TECH Studio Photography tent from Amazon. So this is it right here. This is the shooting tent from Amazon that you can buy. So I bought this for $21 and it comes with the studio tent right over here. It comes with 6 backdrops. So 6 different colors, and then it also has a USB port so that you can plug it into your computer and you can get a light that shines onto the product that you're taking a picture or video of. So I bought this tent just to experiment with different backgrounds and to make my videos a bit more professional, and this tent hopefully has enough resources for me to fully utilize different color backgrounds and to make my next videos much more enticing to watch. So as I looked through Amazon, I was looking for something cheap but also had good reviews, and this one has everything that you want. I'll show you if this is actually what you want to buy and if you should look somewhere else before purchasing this product. Let's go ahead. So the unboxing is quite simple. I think it's just a simple pull tab in the front here, and that's about it. So pulling it from the plastic, you get the owner's menu right here, and then it also shows instructions on how to use the product and how to set up the tent properly. So this is the USB cable. So I believe these lights are actually dimmable as well, so you can actually reduce the temperature and brightness of the light that's shining onto the product in the studio tent. Let's put this aside. Also, this is also micro USB. It's not Type C, obviously. Of course, it's not the biggest thing because it's not a product you use a lot anyway, so it's not that bad. Also, it's quite a long wire. I mean, I'm guessing about 3 or 4 feet, which is actually quite good. And this is a tent right here, so it comes in this nice sleeve that basically holds all of the tent and the backgrounds in play. Put this on the side, and then we get we cycle through the colors that they offer. So we have the black, then we have the white, the red, the green, the blue, and then finally the yellow. So hopefully, because of all these colors, we can actually make it look a good video or photo as a thumbnail in the future. We put the colors on the side. And this is probably the studio box right here. So let's see how this actually works. So remove the flaps on either side of the product. That, then we open up like that, and that's about it. So right off the bat we can see the lights that they use. So LEDs on either side of the front panel right here, 1 and 2. That's the top probably. So these two on the side, they just attach just like that. So there we are. So this is the box like that. I mean, it's relatively big actually. I thought it would be kind of smaller, to be honest. But it actually is quite large. It's tall, you know, it's flimsy obviously because it's just cardboard. But in fact, it's actually quite good actually in terms of that. Let's try putting a background into this. So we'll choose like the black background that they offer. So I think it goes into the hooks in the top over here. So we'll go into one of these hooks, just like that. And then there we are. So we have the box with the black background. So it's actually quite good. I think it serves its purpose, I believe. Let's see if the lights actually work. But before we do that, there's of course this top level over here. This top opening, I believe, is Velcro. Yeah, it's Velcro. So taking it out allows us to actually take a top-down picture of the product on the background color that we decided to use. So there's two ways you can shoot it, that way into the box in the opening, or we can shoot in the top area as well. So it's double the abilities than other tents you can find online. So let's plug this into the computer and let's see if it actually does light up, and let's see how bright it actually gets with the dimmer and other features. So we plug this guy in, and then we will light it up, I guess. Let's see what happens using the control system that they offer in the wire itself. So turning it on, and we get that bright light. So it's actually quite bright. It's quite bright compared to what I was expecting. I thought it would be less brighter, but it definitely shows. It definitely has a bright feeling to it. You can also, I think, use a dimmer. Let's see how much. So that reduces it, so you can see how much it reduces by. It's still on. So if we turn it on again, you can see it come up again to the maximum value. So that's actually quite bright. For this kind of $21 tent, I think that's actually quite worth the price. Of course, we have to see how good the pictures come up. So I'll show some sample pictures right here, so you can kind of gauge on how good this tent box is and if it's worth purchasing. It does actually take some time to get used to how to actually open it up and connect the buttons and all that kind of stuff. But once it is, it's actually quite easy to operate. You plug it in and it's done. So hopefully I helped you decide if this tent box is worth the price tag. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and like if you really enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!